This video will cover 1. How to find the references with EndNote such as PubMed and Web of Science core collection. 2. How to find the references from Google Scholar. 3. How to import a reference to EndNote. 4. How to cite a website such as Wikipedia and put it in EndNote. 5. How to create a custom group and add references to it. 6. How to find the full PDF using EndNote. 7. How to manually attach PDF for references. 8. How to use EndNote when writing in Microsoft Word document and change the style. 9. How to share your writing when the person does not have EndNote. First, we will open EndNote and save the library. Here I put it in EndNote folder and library.enl. We will get this window open, and first let's find the references from the internet such as PubMed. You fill the keyword like you want to find the paper from Gio Wehan in 2019 with title mining. Click search. You will got some records, and then you choose the paper that you want to cite or the journal that you want to cite. Right click and then add references to custom group. If you want to make the citation in different groups, for example here we call it paper 1. Let's take a look another one. You want to search from Web of Science core collection. Click search again. From the given record, you choose which paper that you want to cite. Again, add to paper 1. Now we have 2. Other than that, we can directly go to web browser or find the references from Google Scholar. Open Google Scholar. Make sure you sign in first. In order to able to get the EndNote citation, you need to change the settings and make sure that you choose EndNote and then click save. Let's try to find author Julian Macaulay. There should be a link to say import to EndNote. Click that one. It will automatically be downloaded for you, and now import the citation from the EndNote. Make sure you choose import. For all references you have 3 now, and then add it to paper 1. Now the question is how if you want to find the references from web page like Wikipedia. Here is one of the example. In the left menu, there is a link to cite the page. Click that one. This is the information that you need to manually fill in EndNote. Make sure you choose web page. Fill the corresponding information to the right. Now we save the new citation. We have 4 citations in total. Now we will find the full text using EndNote. You can see in the left menu there is searching is going on. Once the full PDF found, it will directly add it to your citation, and you can refer to it or read the paper from your EndNote. Let's try it one more time. Searching, and then it's there already. You can also manually add the PDF file. First you need to download and save the PDF. Here I save it in one folder to easily locate them later on. Right click the citation, attach PDF, open. Once you close it, it will ask you whether to save the changes or not. Then we click yes. Now we all have the PDFs for citation. Now let's see how can we use this EndNote on our writing. Here, for example, we open Word document and want to cite all the papers from EndNote. For example, we want to refer to Han et al. Search Han. You can modify where you want to add the year to your citation. And another one, pembantaruan. Define it, insert. You now have 2 references on your document. EndNote will make it in a consecutive order from first, second to the next order based on the appearance in your document. So let's try the next citation. It will be the third. And now let's try to put another sentence in front of the paragraph. So like here, we refer to the Wikipedia. It should be the first citation. Let's see how EndNote will automatically update all the numbers for you. And now you got 4 items in your references. Let's name it references. Once you delete one of the references, it will automatically disappear as well from the list of references. See? Now we only have 3 instead of 4. Let me undo it. Because it is only for example, let me undo it and do the citation again. We go to Wikipedia. We have 4 items in our references. You can also change the styles. For example, whether you want to have certain kind of style in your writing, like Harvard, Oxford, IEEE, or another style, you can search it here. You can see the differences. That's Harvard. This one is Oxford. Or other style. But I prefer to use IEEE style. Don't forget to save your document. Sometimes you need to share your document to persons that does not have EndNote. In this case, you need to make sure you send the plain text instead of a document that refers to EndNote. The difference is the plain text. Once you change the references, it will not be automatically updated for you. That's why it's called plain text. In the next video, we will cover another reference manager called Mendeley.